In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a roasted fennel and chickpea salad. Start by cutting off the fennel tops. Remove the bottom of the fennel bulb. Cut the fennel in half. Cut each half into half-inch pieces. Remove the root end of the scallion and trim off the tops. Cut the scallion into half-inch pieces. Add some fine sea salt. Add some hot seeds, ground black pepper, throw in some Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, I almost forgot, add some garlic powder. Bake this on a non-stick sheet pan at 400 degrees for roughly 20 minutes, stirring after 10 minutes. Be sure to rinse your chickpeas. Add 1½ tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Whisk until emulsified. Then add your chickpeas. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh flat leaf parsley. Add a ½ cup of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Give it a taste to check the seasoning and adjust if necessary. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.